Hi, Makota families and surrounding community. I just wanted to put together another video just to talk about our extended day program a little bit. I had sent out a video when our program first started, explaining what it was and kind of different things that we may be doing throughout the year. I just wanted to give you an update. I'm going to, I wanted to show you something here about the program and some of our goals, and then I'll talk a little bit about things that we've been doing. So I'll share that with you here. So with the grant that we received, that we applied for, these are 4 of our goals that we're trying to meet throughout the program, throughout the year, through the before and after school program, and then when we're running the summer program that will run in June. The goals that went along with the grant were to develop community connections and understanding for the students, families, and community agencies for overall sustainability of the project. They were also to provide 7 to 15 hours per week with an average of 65% of that time being devoted to high quality instruction of math, science, English, language arts, and technology with a focus on problem-based solving, getting kids ready for a career in college readiness and STEAM activities. Honestly, the math, science, English, language arts, and technology definitely go right along with that STEAM process. We are also provide extended learning opportunities for students, families, and staff by incorporating college and career readiness opportunities. And the 4th goal is to establish a system of continuing improvement and evaluation, which we have a committee that has parents on it and staff, and that we meet. And we meet at least twice a year, but we're going to probably meet a few more times than that since this is a new program. And we when the parents and I met last time, they had a lot of really great ideas. So I definitely think that's a great process for us to be having as well. So with the program, when it's talking about problem-based learning, that is, we've been doing that through a lot of different things, and we've been working on engineering and circuits and all kinds of different things. And basically what you do is you're kind of presenting the kiddos with a problem, and then they have to kind of come up with a plan to solve that problem. I usually have them write it out, draw a picture of what they're going to solve. They're using math when they're measuring things, putting it together. They're having to plan it, and then if it works or doesn't work quite right, then they have to go back and do fixes. We've done a lot of different things. We made Harry Potter wands where the kiddos got to use, which goes with circuitry. They worked a lot with circuits. They really like circuits, and we have a couple really cool things in here that they get to do with those. Plus, we've made our own. I have a couple ideas for a family night that is coming up where we'll be making circuits too. Hopefully that family night happens with all the things that have been going on. We had to cancel one of them and move it further back into December due to illness and things like that. We're working with engineering where the kiddos have built a lot of different things. Right now, we're building the Eiffel Tower. We got to go visit virtually the Eiffel Tower and learn a little bit about it and how it's constructed. And as they're building the tower, they're having to use math and different things to make sure that they're getting it all correct and getting it, kind of built in a nice way. And then if there's any issues or errors with it, they'll have to go back and fix it. We had a competition the other day when they had straws and they had to build the tallest structure that did not bend over, and that was pretty fun too. So there's a lot of really exciting things that we're doing with all of that. That's really kind of what I wanted to do, is give you kind of an update, what it was about, how it's going, and things like that. We've had a lot of really good increase in numbers with the kiddos. It's always nice to see more though. Right now we're still doing Monday, Tuesday, and Thursdays, both before and after school. And there's busing that takes kiddos to a drop-off location in McHenry, Glenfield, and then families who are closest to Binford would be picking their kiddos up here. But if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm more than willing to answer them for you. And if you feel like donating anything to the program, that would be wonderful. I had put out a supply list on our messenger, but if you have any questions on things that you could donate, please message me. I'm very willing to let you know things that we need, and that would really be wonderful. We might be trying to do some fundraising for the program to help support getting extra things in here for the kiddos to work with. That's what the committee had kind of came up with, is some different ideas and things. So you might be seeing some of that come out there too. Anyway, I just wanted to update you all and let you know about the program, what it covers a little bit, and please reach out if you have any questions and if you have any suggestions, because I really would like our community to be part of this. So if you were even interested in doing a Zoom about something you do, maybe you know a lot about robotics or animation or different things, or you're an engineer and you want to tell the kiddos a little bit about your job, we could do that through, you could record something for us, or you could visit with us through Zoom on the after school program, because that would be wonderful too. And that would be a way for the kiddos to be making connections with things that they could do in their future that are, you know, a little bit maybe outside the box, because a lot of things are moving towards technology and things are ever changing. So I would like to be able to have them make those connections with people from real life world that they see, not just everything virtually. So if you are willing to do that, that would be wonderful too. So please reach out. All right. Thanks, everybody.